Good morning, family! Happy New Year's Eve. We are officially in the final day of 2025. We got brand new 150k's ready to go. We need to make the 9,000, obviously, but we don't have to do it. We have 3 days to do it with these select accounts. I am so excited moving into the new year, guys. This is an opportunity for us as traders to have all of the opportunity. Pobby! Good morning, King. First and foremost, happy to see you here, brother. Work. Good morning, King. Same to you. So stoked you boys are here. Look, I am going into the new year with nothing but excitement, positivity. This is going to be our year and our breakout year. And I'm excited. I'm glad y'all are going to be a part of it. Yesterday's price action after FOMC, I'm not going to lie, did not move as exciting as I thought it would be. So I'm kind of looking at shorts. If you look at this hourly chart, I think we could, I kind of want to see this balance back out a little bit, but we'll see. We have a nice little cup reaction. Not exactly maybe we find longs actually. It's hard to tell first off the morning. Just followed you on my new IG. I texted you about it, why I got a new one. Work, I didn't notice that. I'll go check that out, brother. Appreciate you so much. What's up, bro? What's up, James? Good morning, King. Good morning, sir. How's everybody feeling? Happy New Year's Eve, ladies and gentlemen. We are officially the final day of 2025. Take your time, of course, my brother. Always. Let's go, work. Did not notice it, but I'll check you out. Yo, Noah. Good morning, King. Let's go. I'm in shorts, bro. You're in shorts? I like that. So I'm targeting your shorts as well. We'll see if we could try to get a little part of it with you. At least early. I'm going to have an order down at like these 7. I'm going to put a little sell order right here. Sell 25. See if we can get a fill. You're feeling good? That's what I want to hear, Pobby. That's what I want to hear. I want to hear y'all are doing good. This is the final day of 2025, family. It means the most. We had a great year. Let's end it strong. Start new year with some momentum. GPT, good morning, King. Yo, last trade-in day of 25. How exciting is that? Blessed to be here. Hopefully making it to 26. Hopefully making it to 26. And then 26 is going to be our breakout year. I truly feel that. Financially, we're all going to crush. You want Tradeify 150s now, bro? Yes, sir, James. That's what we're trading right now, King. 5 Tradeify 150s and see what we can do with it. I have a short order right now right below the 700 whole number. All this volume. I want to see us kind of find some selling to the downside, but we'll see. Good morning, Danny. Welcome in, Queen. As always, good afternoon in your world. Slight little 3 p.m. Targeting the 618s, brother. Good morning, and y'all beautiful people. Let's go, Noah. Targeting the 618s, huh? He wants to see below VWAP. I like it. You were coming into the opening print price of yesterday. Yesterday's FOMC was not as crazy as I expected. Amen for 26. I love the energy at work. Absolutely. I'm telling you, that's going to be our year, guys. This might just find a cliff right off the top. We'll see if we get a fill. I'm looking for a fill back at the 700s. 698 for front run it. I got my funded account ready, getting another one. Let's go, Pobby. Way to work, King. Way to trade. Let's end the year strong. Let's end that year in just all the right ways, Queen. You know, positivity, excitement. We're going to bring all the energy into the next year and crush the markets. Here comes the selling. 680s. Let's see if we could find. Boom. Deeper into the range. Into the 668s. Looks like it's going to leave the 700s behind. I wanted to be a part of it, but I couldn't. Oh, the selling. Oh, the selling. Touching into the 660s. Giving up the daily price. This is where price opened up at. See what happens. Good morning, kings and queens. Let's have a sesh. Let's have a day, Corey. Welcome in, King. Stoked to have you here, brother. It was just a minute meeting. Yeah, just a discussion. It wasn't actual FOMC, yeah. Little reaction. Nice little volume here. We'll see what happens. Let's be patient. Find some opportunities and get paid today. This is the daily opening print, so daily low down here at the 550s. Daily high at the 716s. I was looking to get a fill back at 698. Can we get a chance to get a part of the fun here? Might be VWAP. Might be as high, or this EMA might be as high as it gets. I kind of want to short this EMA touch. I'm going to leave my order on here at the 698s, though. Might not get a chance. Maybe the EMA was the play, but we'll be patient. If we cut back below the EMA now, I'm expecting some deeper selling. Certainly. Certainly, NASDAQ. 692 is where we got to. I had an order at 698. Trying to find the selling. It looks like the EMA is going to be the reaction. I should have assumed also at this opening print price. We'll be patient. Don't need to rush nothing, but I'm excited. Think the shorts are winning. Good morning and good luck to all. Let's go, Diego. I love the energy, King. Good morning to you, sir. Jay, welcome in. Good mans. Hope you're doing well. Hope everybody's feeling excited for this new year opportunity. Maybe getting a fill now at the 798s or 698s. Come on, Nazi. Come get me. Let me be a part of the fun. If it fails EMA again, I'm going to be trying to join this. Sellers are really struggling. I'm going to join. Put my order in.
Order filled.
I'm getting in. I had to change where I was getting in at, but we're in now. See if we can find the selling. 698s. I still think we could go see the 700s before the selling really picks up, but we'll see. Just looking to feel a little rotation to the downside here. Where's the selling going to play into? Go buy 25 stops. Put our stop loss in. We'll go break even already just because we're already up 15 points. What do we need? 60s to technically, what is it? 30 points. So like 36 points would be 44. Is that correct? Yeah. 44 is where I would need to be out at. Buy 25 limit. That would be our trade done for the day. We already got break evens on. See if we can find the deeper selling. Starting college classes soon. Oh, a little bit sad for you, Pobby. I mean, hey, go get educated, King, and bring that the high work. But man, college ain't for me. Big blacks, no wicks. Come on, work. I love the energy as always, brother. So I'll try my best to be here. What classes you studying? What are you looking to be into, Pobs? You selling right? I barely could see. Is it hard to see? Yeah, I'm selling. Trying to find some selling into these 644s. Good little reaction down here into the 650s. Can we find deeper selling now into the 644? 644 would be us passing today, moving on to the next step. Found some nice selling. We got 6 points from TP. Come on, Nazi. Treat us good this morning. I'm a bit late today. W's on the green. Let's go, Matrix. Appreciate you for being here as always, King. Happy New Year to you, brother. We haven't done much yet. Looking to see if we can get a little fill. I wanted to be a part of the selling early up at the EMA, so we'll see. We'll see if we can find the deepers. I need 44s. Can we get down there, Nazi? 10 points, 12 points. You know it's never easy. It's never easy in the NASDAQ. Buyers are going to defend the 650s right now. Can we find the 644s early, be done nice and clean? Come on. 4-minute work day. I know, it'd be so nice. Back to the EMA we go, looks like. Where are my short friends at? Let's go down to those 640s. Nothing reason to go back up here now. Got to find the shorts to defend the EMA. Let's target these 44s out. Just a 36-point trade. Really nothing too wild. It's not looking like it's going to treat us nicely, though. Gosh, so close. So close already. So close. No cigar. Do we try it again here? Back up at this daily price. Where did we touch into? The 650s? Oh my word, NASDAQ. Sometimes I tell you what, this game is not for the faint of heart. Shorten the EMA again if we can get a chance. Oh my God, guys. This is trading sometimes. I'm doing financial planning, kind of hard balancing my JP Morgan internship. I can understand, but hey, man, that's cool. Financial planning. I like that, Pobs. And there goes the 44s, guys. Are you serious, NASDAQ? Why? Why? God. What is that? Why did it come to break even again? I really got to stop getting break evened out. Like, it's going to start triggering me. God. I'm so upset. Asia high held. My God. Yeah, Big BC. That's their spirit, Tommy. Big blacks. Big blacks, except we just got cooked, fam. I'm going to try to buy this little move down here now.
Order filled.
See if we can get a little bit of a hold. Tiny reaction. Going to put our stops on very quickly. The cliff came in that I wanted to see. Now I want to see if the buyers are going to try to hold at all. Man, we wanted to be a part of the selling here. And of course, it gets a break even. Wow, that's painful. God, really tough to watch. Really tough to watch. Y'all just see it. Y'all see it. Reason I'm buying is on this hourly chart, we just came into a big big energy volume spot. Also, we have the EMA on the hourly, so I just want to see if the buyers are going to respond at all. Otherwise, we're going to be just for a quick rotation here. It's not looking like they really are. Not looking like they really are. Man. Unbelievable. Wow. The fucking break even. I'm just already triggered. Oh, I'm already on a bad mental spot after that break even there. We should already be fully done today. Tricky. Getting my SIE 7 and 66, I think it's called, is for the financial planning. Sounds interesting. So that means you can help be a financial advisor. Pabio officially will say this is not financial advice, but he'll say this is financial advice. See if we can get back above VWAP here. Otherwise, we're going to have our top stops on. Sell 25 stop. Want to see this try to get back above the EMA or VWAP. Want to see a nice little closure. Break evens are going to be on already. Don't need to be crazy. Probably going to get the awful break even news that we've been getting. We're in at 28, so 36 would be 64. Ugh, I don't love a 64 exit at all. That would be full TP for us. There's break even. Oh my God, I'm really just triggered off that first selling. Like, that really bothered me. Wow, the fucking selling just to come back to our break even. It's the consistent bullshit we've been dealing with. And that is why I didn't put our break even on yesterday. And then it just goes all the way through to TP. Like, God, man. Give me a break. Give me a break. Up 2K, got to take at least 1,800 off now and then can trade with extra buffer on the day. I hope you do GPT. Grab that. We dump in. Yes, super excited for it. I need to study, but it's simple stuff for the most part. Go in again, bro. We targeting low a day. So painful. I do like the low a day target, though. I just want to be patient and see what the reaction is back when the EMA touches this VWAP. God, that's so painful to watch. A perfect break even as always when we were 5 points from TP to go get a full fucking be done for the day. Instead, price comes right up, tags our price, and then flies to the bottom. Like, it's the classic shit. 2026, nope, not happening. Means that we got to either be waiting for break evens right now, this choppy market. Like, oh my God, just fucking print, NASDAQ. How am I supposed to not be upset when that shit happens every fucking day? We be patient. We finally buy the candle that sells. We get the direction. We're 5 points from TP, and then it flies back up just to tag our break even and then dies. Awful, 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 awful. Feels awful. I do think Noah's right, though. I do think we're targeting lower. I just want to be patient and find a good spot to get a price fill. I'm going to put an order in for below VWAP right now, or at VWAP. This should probably be a little bit on VWAP at the 634s. Yo, those 616s, Noah. You said you were targeting them. We already smashed them. 611, so are you fully out? Tough, bro. Still in it. Let's go, Danny. Hold that, queen. I hope you get fully paid. I am so upset about the break even, but we gotta move on. VWAP tap should be smooth. I'm hoping so. We'll see. Give me a little VWAP fire here. Do the thing that you always do. Go try the price one more time just because I'm in it or I'm not in it. It would go fly. Go test the price. VWAP. 634s. If we do get a fill, we would need 698 to get out. We would need down here. Are we going to get the fill? Brr, it's cold in my apartment, yo. Yo, there's already 30 incredible people here spending the morning hanging out. It means the most, guys. Go ahead and show some love. Hit the like button if we could. Let's get our like goal of 20. And then moving into the new year, what do we think of a new like goal? Maybe like 20, 22? 22 is 25. Seems like it's too much. Maybe 22 every day would be cool. Brr, I am chilly right now. Hope everyone had a great day and may everyone's goals come true in the new year. Let's go. I love it. I love it, Pat. Good morning, King. Happy New Year to you, sir. This is the one, brother. NASDAQ selling below now. Means we got to update our price. My God, we should have already been paid and done for the day. It's so frustrating. The fucking break even game. I can't. I really can't with that. Come on, NASDAQ. You never would just hold out at the bottom if I was in it. Ever. If I'm looking for shorts, this thing is always going to come and trickle to break even. So fucking be normal and go give me a fill. Gosh. Never would it behave so easy and clean for me if I was in this. If I was looking for lows here, it's going to go ahead and come all the way back up first. But now that I'm not in it, it's just going to bleed. I still can't get over that first trade. Fucking upsetting. Oh, yeah. Here we go. New low. Come on. Don't be shy. Come get us at VWAP. Got to update our price a little bit, maybe. Down into, like, this price here. Unbelievable. Absolutely agonizing. The break even, man. That was really a tough watch. 26. Is that what you're talking about for your target, Danny? Or how many likes you think we should get? 30 likes for the new year, Ty. That's the goal. 30. Dang. Let's go raid PW chat and tell them to see a real trader. Pop, you're the GOAT. We have 30 viewers. Drop the likes, fam. Spam this sheet on this chat. Can't stop us all for your like goal. 25. For sure we can do 30 likes. 30 likes. Y'all crazy. That's the goal. We'll try. We'll see. We'll start the new year. Let's see if we can let's end 2025 with that goal then. Let's see if we can hit 30, family. It's a big goal. That's a 50% increase. So I won't be surprised if we fall a little short. But hey, I know y'all can do it. Let's see if we can get 30 likes. There's 30 of y'all in here. Show some love. EMA touch. Gosh. Gonna leave our price alone, isn't it? Fucking God, trading. So annoyed at the break even that we just experienced, guys. I'm really trying to let it go, but that one fucking annoyed me. Oh my word. Like, that was so painful. The absolute classic break even before the fun begins. It's just unfucking believable sometimes. For sure we can do 30 likes. I got that 936 candle short plus 1,000 for the day. Let's go, Switch. Stoked for you, King. I'm glad you got in when I got break even, bro. That might be the meta, guys. When I get break even, don't be scared to get in. because that typically ends up being what's the magic. Well, our 15 minutes are in, guys, and it's a pretty big range. So let's get it drawn up so we're all at least on the same page here. Pretty big range here. I'm so frustrated off that break even. I really am. Like, that was painful. Oh, that was actually really, really painful. Ty, you should secure at least 1,500. You were up 2,500. I know, man, but then it came right back to our break even and then goes right to full TP. So if I just didn't have our break even on yet, we would be full TP'd. We'd be done. We're trying to auction down at the bottom here with some volume. Gosh, that was actually so shit. But NQ is hard to trade, though. NQ is hard to trade, but I gotta let it go. Can't find new opportunities, stuck on the past, so we gotta find a new spot. I feel you, King. Let's look for a new setup. Exactly, Matrix. Tons of chances, tons of opportunity. I gotta let this one fly. Feels bad, it really does, but new chances. I think sellers are clearly winning. Part of me wants to try to buy this low down here. See if we can get it to hold, but there's really no point. We really should only be looking for shorts. Gotta take off this order. Oh, fuck. So we could have been done in 4 minutes. So upsetting. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, though. Let's see what we can do now. Sellers are clearly very dominant right now. Sellers having their way with this market on New Year's Eve. It seems wild to try to short this EMA if we get a contact point with it, just because of this volume candle that didn't hold, but if we push back inside, I might. Quick stops. Quick stops. I'm going to short the bottom of the 15-minute range. Very risky here, guys. We already swept pretty deep into the range, so very risky to try to find a fill here, but we're going to try it. That was a perfect tap into the bottom of the 15. Finding some more rejection below the EMA here. Unbelievable. It's not going to let us in. It's not going to let us in. Hey, sorry for the late Tyler. I was trading my CFD account. Never apologize. I'll be happy to have you here, King. Happy New Year to you, sir. Hope you're feeling great. You got this, King. Accounts are still fresh. You got this. Yes, sir. Accounts are still fresh. Don't need to tilt now, huh? Don't marry a trader, even an outcome. Detach and execute professionally. Yeah, Pat, you missed it, King. We were fucking 4 points from full TP, came back, flashed our break even as always, and then just completely died. It was tough, but you're right. Got to let it go. Look how she took out that whole slow grind up in the 15 minutes. A little bit nervous about this entry. We're going to see, though. Could easily get this to pull back up into the VWAP here, so I'm just going to keep my eye on this trade. Volume could really come against us here, guys. Let's see what happens. It's not really my favorite setup anymore. Let's see if these sellers are serious. Otherwise, they got to maintain this 15 bottom. Where's 31? So that's 15 points out. Stops will be above VWAP with this position. I don't love it, but buy 25 stops. Let's find the selling here. 609. We would need 75. 75 would be us being done. Buy 25 limit. I want to put our break even on, but you guys know my luck. The reason I feel like we should, though, is because of the 15-minute range find. Come on, big blacks, no wicks. Treat me good. Fucking just be nice to me. Really do want to put our break even on, but I have a bad feeling about it, like always. Can we find the selling through these 600s now? Got to be smart. Got to put our break even on, even though it feels awful. I'm just going to be willing to get in again if we do get a break even. Come on, just big black, no wick down to the 75s for me. I deserve a 36-point move after that horrible break even, NASDAQ. 600s are going to be the scary spot. We got to see if we can break through without the wick. Yeah, I'm going to get a break even, huh? Kind of want to take my break even off, guys, but you know... There it is. There it is. Shorting VWAP here if we can get a chance. Don't tease me like that on that fill. Give me a fill up here. Give me a fill. Tap us in. Looking to get into this.
Order fill.
All right, we got filled at the VWAP short there, which would mean we would need 94 to be done. We would need 94 to be done. See if we can get the VWAP to actually support us. Let me see these selling come back in. Push us back to the bottom of the 15-minute range. Come on, NASDAQ. Behave. You've done me dirty already this morning, Queen. Break through this EMA. Break through the bottom of the 15 again with some big black. No wick. We'll look pretty decent. We got the VWAP touch that we wanted. Buy 25 stops. Stops are going to be in. I'm putting break even on now. No reason not to. Get down there. Go feed us at the 94s. Do not wick out the bottom of the 15 again here. Come on, Nazi. Looking for the sellers to win this price. It's the last spot. One more test of these lows at these 690s. Show me the 600 one more time. Below the EMA is decent. Below the 15-minute range. Come on, sellers. You just got your VWAP fill. We're still heading in the direction that we want to be a part of. Do not break us even again, man. Seriously. My fucking word. So fucking annoying.
Stop fill. Order fill.
I put another short in. We're short again at the VWAP. I just don't believe these longs yet. Willing to take some drawdown. I just don't believe them yet. You got this. Don't marry a trade. Look how she... Happy now. Happy New Year to you and everyone. May gold helps everyone to achieve profitability, and who are already. They hit 10x in monthly payouts, and they are already making. Let's go, Abby. I love the Energy King. I don't know, bro. I hate break even. Just my opinion, though. Me too, Noah. I mean, it's the worst. Come on, Nazi. Big black, no wig. BBNW. Give us that BBNW. We're not even asking for much. We got a new fill at 629, so we would need 30 65, just 95, I mean. Pretty much the same trade we were just in. Just, I didn't want to see the break even one more time. Feels like we're going to have to take some drawdown on this, but I still like our direction. Just going to have to sit through some drawdown on this one, I think, guys. But with the EMA and VWAP, I can see how break even is good. Yeah, it was. I had to at VWAP, and I had it at the bottom of the 15-minute range as well. Here we go. Cut through this now. Finally, please. Buy 25 stops. Once we break through the EMA, I'm going to try it again with our break even. There's the EMA break. Can we actually hold? Putting our break even on again. Can we actually get delivered to our price? One time, NASDAQ. One time. I'm asking for all my friends. BBNW, Big Black, no wick. Go fill out the 595s. One time, dealer. We have been teased all morning. Let's go, Naz. Let's go. Let's go work. I appreciate you. Move stop at 2K, re-enter. It's not a bad idea, GPT, honestly. Good morning, Magic Montage. Welcome in, sir. Happy to have you. Happy New Year to you. Can we hold through the bottom of the 15-minute range? Need a little bit lower now, NASDAQ. 5 points from TP. Feed us. Feed us. Do not wick us out again. Come on, this feels so teasy. Feels like it should be a lock, but nothing's a lock in the NASDAQ. Not because I have a break even on. So, because I have a break even on, nothing's a lock. Jesus. Go print to the 95s. I'm not even asking for much. 30 points. Stuck below the EMA and the bottom of the 15-minute range is in our favor. Can we get this to print a little bit lower now? Just the smallest bit lower now, NASDAQ. Seriously. Feels like it should be a lock, but again, nothing in the NASDAQ's a lock. Is my math wrong, by the way? 5. Yeah, it is. I need 94, actually. Right? Because this would be 10 points. So, yeah, I need actually need 92. I guess my math is just awful. Guess my math is just terrible today. This feels really bad. Where's my continuation here? Up at VWAP feels safe, but nothing feels safe. Anything below the 50-minute range feels decent for our direction. Can we get this to continue through for us? It's natural that it's going to pull back a bit after such a drop. It's a good point, Montage. I'm also in shorts. Good luck, King. Let's get this to play through for us. Just curious, why don't you take off like 5 or 10 contracts when it's this kind of profit? If it pulls back to break even after that way, you still have some profit. It's a good question, Montage. It's just tricky to ever like really. So for one of my big reasonings is I try to do whatever I do consistently over and over because like you just never know. So if I'm always moving profit, like if I'm always scaling to like take some profit off, then once the big moves happen and like, I'll try to explain it really well. You have to, whatever you choose to do, you got to do consistently. So if I do start doing that, I'm going to have to always consistently do that. And then that means that like when it is choppy and it comes back, I'm never going to be able to be a part of the actual move unless I re-enter. It's just hard. Like right now watching this feels like we have to go feed us, but there's no reason to as well. Can we actually hold below this EMA? Why would VWAP come get fired again? Why? Because Tyler's in it. That's why. Like, we're just trying to see a little bit lower, NASDAQ. Holy cow. Give it up, Buttercup. Cute little cupcake, you. So, I'm just trying to be consistent with my trading and my rules. My rules are that I put a break even on and let it ride. That was a decent reaction to keep us below the EMA, but it's still just being very stubborn, not delivering lower yet. I have faith in the direction, but man, it's making us beg. Where did we just return at the 599s? Need a little bit lower into the 592s, NASDAQ. Can you treat us good, Queen? Please. Like right now, hypothetically, say I took this position off, right? I'd have to look for another trade. That's another reason too, is like, I don't always love having to be looking for extra positions. Can we get fed right now? Look at the wick. Look at the wick down into our price. Deliver. Just deliver. For once out of the last week, can you just deliver? Look at it teasing. What has been up with my orders? My take profits have just not been getting executed. Another flash. Another fucking flash. Oh my word. You're serious. You're actually serious. You're actually serious. 693. 593. I can't make this shit up. It's just unbelievable. It's agonizing. Like, I'm not even asking for much. 30 points in the fucking NASDAQ. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, dude. Wow. Wow, NASDAQ. You really know how to treat a man. You really know how to treat a dude. Nah, it's tickling you. NQ, don't be rude. We want lunch for fireworks. We just need a little bit of love. Like, I'm not even asking for much here. I'm just getting no love. Fucking wow. It turns at 693. I have an order at 692.25. Unbelievable. Like, these are the days where it does just trick you and makes you just want to break my rule and just take my profit off. But it's just not again. It's just I can't, because if I do that, then I have to do it all the time. And if I do it all the time, then I'm going to be messing up my strategy, and it's just painful. Equilibrium was created and boom. Just came back. Feel like your style of trading just naturally comes with frustration. Hitting the home run trade every time is tough. Yeah, you're not wrong, Diego. It does definitely leave me in for some pain. Like, right now. Like, right fucking now. Why is this NASDAQ turning a tick away from my price? Look at that engulfing candle. Can the sellers just win one time today and make some sense? Please just deliver to the 92s one time for the guy that's asking nicely. I'm asking for 36 points in the NASDAQ, and it's like pulling teeth. Because, like, where would I scale out right now? Put my stops above this wick? Like, it's hard to, like, and then what? I'm happy with a 10-point trade, and then I'm only up $1,000. It's just, I say it, but it's obviously different when you're in the moment. But I'd say I'd rather break even than making $1,000 on it, because then when I lose, you're going to lose more than the 1,000. Obviously, right now, it's hard to say that because I'm not getting any love whatsoever. So, like, right fucking now. And by the way, 36 points is not a home run trade, in my opinion. 36 points in the NASDAQ is not a home run trade. That's why I'm so frustrated. Like, I'm asking for 36 fucking points. It shouldn't be like this, where the NASDAQ chops and hangs out and is just bullshit. I'm expecting a giant candle, one way or the other. And it's going to be just tough to sit through, but... Do you guys agree that a 36-point trade isn't even wild? Like, I'm not asking for a home 1,000 points, 500 points, nothing crazy. 50 points, 100 points. Usually I can hit 60-point trades all the time. But this is just tough. It feels like more than ever we're in a decent spot, but I don't know. I'm going to come update our break even a little bit accurate. It's going to come be painful, isn't it? My fucking word. We were a point away. Not even, man. It's just unbelievable. In this market, is ATR is 15 on the 1 minute, so you're asking double. Okay, it's a good way to look at it, Danny. But asking double over how long of a time frame? Like, how long have we been in this trade now? And how many times are we getting teased at our price? It's just tricky. No cap. Naz, just be an ass and it plays out. Nice guys always finish last. Your style is good. 1 to 2 of these and I funded. You set up for a new months. It's just holiday chop. I like that, GPT. I appreciate you. 30 to 40 points. Been tough the last few weeks. LOL. Yeah, no, you're right, Neuroseam. 30 points in the NASDAQ feels like you're trying to be a millionaire, you know? I just hit 92 points. See, exactly. King Noah. And guess where my first trade was? Way the fuck up here that we were targeting this direction and got no love. Got a break even. What I meant with home run is you're looking for your full TP on one trade, not necessarily for the hella points. I respect it, though. Game is game. No, I like that, Diego. You're right. I usually do look for it in one trade, and that's just for my mentality because I don't like having to look for other positions. Like, if I got a break even now, well, we have to look for another position. But if I don't get a break even, like, if I get a break even, you got to look for another trade anyway. But if I get it full out when I need to look for less points, I need to look for another trade. So it's like, if I'm needing to look for another position no matter what, I'd rather just it be in my current position. Like right now, for example, my fill up at VWAP, I'm not going to find a better safe fill until we get a break even. And then from there, I got to readjust. But come on, NASDAQ. Just deliver lower. Oh, my agonizing. Just deliver lower. I'm asking for 30 points. 30 likes is the goal before New Year's. Come on, y'all. We can smash the button, brothers and sisters. I appreciate you so much, work. We do have a new goal, guys. Y'all asked for 30, which I'm not going to lie, does feel really high, but show me that y'all want it. If we could hit that like button, show some love. Maybe we can dump this NASDAQ down. 30 likes would be crazy. If we could start hitting 30 as our new goal, man, that would be just the craziest. So maybe we can bring the NASDAQ down here at the 600s. Can we break through? Looking to see some deeper selling. 695, 592 is our exit. But, of course, we're going to get some choppy McChops. Come on, NASDAQ. Just be nice to me. I really think I deserve a little bit of love. Be patient. It will hit. All right, I like that, Magic. Give my man his TP. Come on, Matrix. Just hit. If you need 100 points, for example, on a slower day, you could also do 25 points 4 times. I guess it just depends on the way the market moves that day. 100 or 200 points days are smooth, and then this garbage when it's slow, and then 20 points is big. Yeah, no, that's actually a really good point, Danny. It really is dependent on the day. That's a good point. Be patient. It will hit. Good morning, everyone. Let's go, Fuibo. Welcome in, King. Dude, Top Step is the worst firm ever. You said it, not me. Top Step is a tough one to be a part of. But, hey, they treated me well while I was with them. They're still a good firm. They try to go right by their traders, but not for me right now. Manny, just like the stream. I appreciate that so much, Manny. Thanks for being here, King. Show some love. Hit that like button. There's 33 people watching. If y'all all hit the button, we hit our goal. That would be crazy. We just dangling our feet off the cliff. Jump already. I know. She's just hanging out. Just go to our TP. Look at this last wick. Was awful. Getting teased like that was actually agonizing. Here's another attempt. Here's another attempt at 600s. Can we break it lower? Come on, Nazi. We all are here with you. We're all riding with you. Come on. Don't do us filthy. 599 means 7 points to TP. 6 points now. That flash down to the 70s. 97s. Just like the stream. Let's go, Manny. Their dashboard won't let me take a payout. Whoa. And you're due for a payout? That's insane, Fuibo. Get that payout, King. At least you know you're eligible, so just be patient. They'll make it right. They should pay you out. I haven't seen them not deny. I haven't seen them. That's one thing I haven't seen Top Step do is deny a payout if it's deserved. So, oh my teasing, Aver loving love, just go to the 92s one time.
Order filled.
God, that was worse than pulling teeth. Actually worse than pulling teeth. Oh no, my camera's doing the thing again. I think I need to buy a new battery, guys. I think after a year of streaming, my battery's officially dying on us. Like, that was actually just agonizing. I'm turning off trade mode. We're locked in. Break even, that should have been paid in 4 minutes. Didn't have to sit through all this cortisol. My cortisol went up for no reason on there. So trash. I don't really dislike Top Step. Top Step X is just not good enough for such a big firm. They just have way too much volume. So I agree, Magic. Yo, the W's. Y'all are so great. I love the energy. I appreciate y'all. Means the most. Go Nazi. So it for Ty. Do it for Ty. The OG definitely won't be phased out, brother. Let's go, Saucy. Welcome in, King. I appreciate you being here. Vic says, I don't like trading on Tradeify. How come, King? Because I actually really enjoy it. Welcome in, though. I think it's the first time I've seen your name chatter, so appreciate you for being here. W's, y'all are great for showing love. Truly means the most. Just spamming the W's. Wonder if we can see the 400s today. Hey, 2 trades today, by the way, Ty. Noah, crushing the markets. Your first trade was gold, King, so well done. Yeah, their system is just terrible. Again, it's just volume, I think, Fuibo. They just have a lot of people on there right now, and with their way that everything's been going, it's been tough. I had a long in pre-market and caught that short. Stellar. Stellar. How much buffer you have to make on Tradeify, Tyler? For the 150 accounts, the buffer is 3,500. So, at 6 grand, you can take out a max payout. The candles just move too fast compared to all the other charts. 3 more likes. Keep smashing the stream. 3 more likes for our goal of 30. Are you serious? Y'all are incredible. Thank you so much for showing love. We're ending the new year with a new goal, family. Going into 2026. I'm telling you guys right now, this is going to be our year. We're all going to absolutely print and deliver. Print and deliver over and over. I'm hoping for, my goal for 2026 is at least 6 figures in payouts, but I want to be 6-figure profit in payouts, not just 6-figure in payouts, because we almost hit 6-figure in payouts this year, but obviously not all profit. So the goal is for me moving forward, it's going to be 6-figure in profits, and then be maybe full-time. That's my next goal, is going to be full-time trading, get out of my position here at work, but we'll see. We'll see. They hired the head guy back on Project X. Top Step should be good to go now. Isn't that wild? That's the difference having a good developer makes. Having a good developer is that they had a issue when they fired him, and now he's back, and hopefully he can get things rolling again. 18K, not bad at all. Not too bad on a day like today, huh? I appreciate you, Pat. About to hit the 30. Let's go. You guys are crazy. You guys put a new goal out there as a fucking family and smashed it. I can't even begin to say thank you enough. 30 likes to end the new year. Going into 2026 with new momentum. That's going to be our new daily goal. It's crazy. Great job, man. Appreciate it, Pat. 100K a month. I'm seeing it, brother. 100K months. Let's go. Let's go, work for all of us. After the new year, they should be good. I think so too, Fuibo. They just got to work on a couple things. Like I said, Top Step's still a good firm. It's just they have a lot of people, and it's kind of interesting. My 2026 goal is 40K or more. Want to cover my mortgage for the whole year. Oh, GPT, I love that, King. You're going to crush that goal, man. 40K in payouts, 40K in profit, pay for your mortgage, and then you're just a almost full-time trader. Obviously, you're going to have your job too, but 29, one more. Sorry to cough in y'all's ear. That was funny, Fuibo. Juan more like. Juan more. Look, we got really lucky with that full TP. And then price just kind of staying in our spot. Yo, I'm confused, guys. Look at this. We made $75 here. Okay. Made $20 here. Didn't lose any. Oh, okay. We lost 80. I lied. Okay. How'd I lose 80 with a break even? Sometimes the fills are rough. And then we hit for 36.75, but the accounts are only at 36.41. Must be fees and stuff, but I'm surprised by that. I feel like there's a couple dollars there that are unaccounted for. Congrats, G. Much needed TLR. I appreciate you, King. Thanks for being here every day, showing vibes. Really, truly means the most. I tilted on New Year's Eve. Didn't even want to trade today. Sorry to hear it, Dave. We're here for you, though, brother. Just another day. I know it's exciting. I mean, hey, going into the new year, bro, we're going to leave all the tilting behind. Positivity, opportunity. I watched a video the other day, and it's just how much more opportunity you can notice when you're just being positive. So for everybody's, for all y'all's sake, for my sake, I'm going to do my very best to just keep the positivity. That way we give ourselves the best chance to be successful because we're only going to be seeing opportunities. I gotta go, Ty. Proud of you, bro. Happy New Year's. Let's crush. Happy New Year's, Noah. Appreciate you for being here, King. Let's have a fucking year. Enjoy the rest of your 2025, and I'll see you next year, King. Means the most. I'm trying to buy my wife a new car. Fuibo, great goal. I believe in you. All I had to do was wait for Friday. How bad was the tilt, Dave? What happened, King? Might be slippage with the copy trading. TBM talks about it all the time. Slippage. That makes some sense. Because honestly, I was like, look at this. 36.75 after being up on the day would mean we're at least over 36. But we lost like $120 in slippage. Kind of wild. Kind of wild, but whatever. Whatever. It means we got to keep our eye on that, though. 30 likes. Let's go. Y'all set the new goal at 30. I thought it was crazy, and then we crushed it. Truly, thank you so much. My girlfriend's boyfriend is going to be happy if I get another funded account. So 2026, I need to make him proud. Pobby, make that man happy. Make that man proud. W30 likes. Y'all crushed. I love your mentality, man. Always positive. Hey, I appreciate that a lot, Magic. Thank you, King. Always trying to show positivity. Like I said, that's the way to find more opportunities. Just keep your mindset in the right spot. Here we go, NASDAQ. Finally delivering a little bit lower. Getting close to the lower day down in the 550s. Nothing but selling in the new year. Or the end of the year. Wild. Wild, wild, wild. I wanted to find shorts early, as y'all could see. We were up so close to full TP. Got break even. Crazy. What a day. I blew my 50K flex. No reason I should have traded. Was $2,500 profit and started gambling. Damn, Dave. Hey, I mean, you know what it is, King. Unfortunately, this is trading, and that's just the name of the game. Obviously, hypotheticals. You can't play it all back. You could have made some money, so whatever caused you to get in, just work on that aspect for what actually triggered you to trade, and keep that mindset right, brother. 2026 is going to be a good year for us. No stress, King. Your head up. Absolutely, Dave. Pick him up. I love it, family. GPT work. Picking up Dave. Let's go. It happens, brother. It really does. Yes, sir. We're going to make him proud. The most proud. I would have been green on the day, but here got stopped out. Was targeting 52s. Targeting low a day. It's a good entry. I was targeting shorts here. Got break even. Once it didn't play out, had to find another short at VWAP. And this one finally played out for us. Slowly, painfully, by the way. We got this to completely show us the direction and then just agonizing before finally. It was a tough day, Dave. Final day, trading day of 2025. Give yourself some grace, King. Don't bring that energy into 26. This is going to be a good year for us. I'm gone. Got a busy day. Have a great day, everyone. Grateful for you guys. Be patient, disciplined. Hit the weights. Hit the weights. I love it, Pat. Love you too, buddy. Take it easy. Enjoy the rest of your year, King. Keep that mindset. 2026 is going to be a big one for us, I promise. Damn, that hurts. 2,500 is a good money to blow. It is. It is. That's a big trade to lose there, but happens. It truly does. Y'all are going to see it. In 2026, I'm not going to be worried about losing profits. Well, let me take that back. I'm going to be willing to play with more profits because that's what we got to do for our goal. Having 6 figures in profit payouts would mean that I need to make realistically probably after taxes, they're going to take 30%. You have to assume I'm probably going to spend 50, 60K on trading fees on combines. So that's like 80K right there. So I really need to make like 180K in payouts next year to then have 100K profit after expenses and taxes. So that's the goal for me, is like 180K roughly in payouts, which would be divided by 12 is, you know, I guess you don't really have to do divided by 12, but it's just a way to do it. I'm out of here as well, guys. Hope everyone has a great day today. Be safe. Remember our motto for 2026, trading for freedom, baby. Let's go, TLR. I fucking love the energy, King. Take it easy, brother. Appreciate you for being here. Trading for freedom in 2026. It's so exciting. This is going to be our year. Need another 1K to pass my evals for Tradeify. James, let's get that, King. I still think we're targeting low a day here. Find a good spot to get in with them. I would be looking for any shorts in around the 600s. Any test back into the 6s, I'd be looking for shorts. I believe in it. I believe in it. Bro, awesome to see you live right now. What time is it there? I'm in Iceland and it's 3:20 p.m. That's crazy, Ronnie. All the way across the world. It's 10:30 in the morning here. Happy New Year, Bella. Wow, she's one of our, she's my Apex affiliate manager. Thanks for being here, Queen. It means the most. Happy New Year to you. Goal for 2026, less eval fees and more payouts. Building brick by brick. Let's go, GPT. Every single day we show up. Trading for freedom, baby. We're doing it for ourselves. Not doing it for ourselves. We're doing it for our family. We're doing it for freedom. I love it. Let's go. Appreciate y'all for being here. Can't stay around, LOL. I have a flight in 1 hour, but loving the streams as always, Tyler. Have a great Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year to you too, Ronnie. I appreciate you, King. Thanks for stopping in and showing some love. And, hey, enjoy your trip, man. It's awesome you're getting to travel a little bit. Damn, it's 7:20 a.m. here in Cali. Happy New Year's. 7:30 in the morning. I think it's so cool how we're all spread across the world. It's the coolest thing ever to me, honestly. And I wish my camera wasn't lagging, guys. How bad is it for you guys? The audio and everything is okay. It's just my battery on my camera. It's been fried. We've been trading. It's been streaming for an hour and a half to 2 hours every single day for almost a year now. So the battery's getting cooked. But hey, this was the opportunity I was talking about, James. Any pullback into the 600, you could maybe look for positions if find short to then target low a day here. Happy New Year's, everyone. Leaving chat early. Appreciate you for being here, work, and always bringing the positivity like always. You were a great addition to our community this year, as is everybody. I appreciate you. Enjoy the rest of your time, and I'll see you next year, King. My favorite little cliche, classy line. See you next year. I'm in Netherlands. It's 4:23 p.m. for me here. Magic's in Netherlands, too. That's Danny, Magic, and Maxi. We haven't seen him in a little while, but hey, love the Dutch. Love the Netherlands love. Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. See what we can do. Might got to buy a new camera for tax write-offs. That's a great idea, GPT. I don't think it's my camera. I think it's my battery. I think I got to buy some new batteries, but maybe it is the camera. I hope it's not the camera. But that will be a nice little write-off for sure. Little expense there for the stream. You passing these in one day? You can't, James. The select accounts, the ones that I'm playing for, are 3-day pass, sadly. So you can only make 40% is most you can make. 9,000 is the goal. 40% is 3,600. So we made the 3,600. We're gonna try to make another 36 tomorrow, and then we need the last 1,800 to pass and finish the day. So I can't do it in one day, but we can pass them in 3 days, and that's the goal. I'd be looking for these 600s. Anything below 610. Anything below 610 I like for shorts. It's making me sad though that my battery is frying on us. It did work. It did a lot of work this year, though, so I can't even be upset about it. Let's go check out gold real quick. I'm just interested. 84s to the 50s. Still offering crazy range. Look at this sell-off. Wow. And then held the low of day with 3 wicks. Pretty crazy. Pushed back up into the range. Found some more pushing. I know somebody's making some money on this gold chart. God bless Ty. May you have blessed for this upcoming year as everyone else. Y'all see you next stream, brother and sister. Let's go work. Appreciate you for being here, King. I love the positivity as always. Yeah, gold. I know somebody's making some money on this chart. Lots of options. Lots of movement here. Wild. Here we go into the 605s. I'd be looking for this to be a short fill for me personally. Anything below VWAP and anything really below these 6/8s, I'd be looking for shorts. I'd probably be looking for a fill on that candle, actually. I'm probably going to stick with the Lucid 50K Flex for now. $78 is still a good price. Yeah, Dave, it really is. I mean, you can't be upset about the $78. It's pretty competitive in the industry, but I'm trying to migrate myself over into the 150s. Trying to migrate into the 150s myself, get used to the size, get used to the selling there. If you do go ahead and get new Flex or Lucid accounts, Dave, we do have the code for Lucid. The max move to live for Lucid 150s is 5K regardless of account size. The max move to live is 5K regardless. Whoa, I did not know that. Only difference is the payout minimums before live. Makes it interesting. Kind of like Tradeify, honestly, where you can only take out, you have the 5 payouts of the 12,000, and then they're gonna move you to live. So, all right, King, I'm off. Traded a bit longer today as I'm trading each account at a time to minimize risk. One account at a time. I like it, Matrix. But hey, take it easy, King. As always, love having you here, brother. Thanks for being a part of this community. You were a great addition this year. I very, very grateful to have you. Like I said, I kind of like that short or that fill of that candle there to take a short. I'd people putting break evens on now. Don't want to see price come back up here and want to see the low of day. James, that could have been the trade that you needed right there, brother. If you were able to get in there at that bottom of the 15-minute range tap and that 610 hold, good little opportunity. Anything below the 610s, I liked pulling it back into this little demand range or supply range. I like that spot there. GPT, you trade one account at a time too, huh? Wild. I don't know why, for some reason that would just trigger me, I feel like. When you catch like a banger and then you lose on your other ones. I guess it's the vice versa, because you don't have to lose all your accounts at once, so it's nice to not have to be triggered that way, but I don't know. For some reason, I feel like it would be nice to... maybe I'm used to it. I've kind of been trading 5, copy trading 5 since I started over a year ago. So I'm just used to that leverage. But like when you get a trade to play out in your direction, how does it not like hurt your feelings a little bit when it goes against you? So I made 4K each on 5 150s. Now I trade one by one to protect the gains. Are those your fundeds? So you copy trade them to get the buffer going, and then from there you separate it. I like that. It's a good idea, GPT. Just get that buffer. It's a pretty good idea, actually. Something I haven't messed with. I also was thinking, guys, of maybe giving Take Profit Trader a try. I think I want to keep trading with Tradeify until I get these payouts and maybe move live with them. That's my goal. But after that, I actually want to try Take Profit Trader. They have no payout caps right now. So it's kind of like the original Top Step, where you can really just have a giant payday. Kind of interested in trying it. We'll see. We'll see. I'm sure they won't have it like that forever, but yes, Top Step. I love it. Another try to 600s there. Like I said, I still like shorts, anything below the 610s. And we might get another try at the VWAP, but I still like shorts to win. Seriously, though, thank you so much, guys, for just being a part of this community every single day. You guys made 2025 so special. It was almost a full year of streaming. It's almost been our first full year where we've just been hanging out every day. And it feels really amazing. I can't wait to see what we do with 2026. Profits for everybody. Getting better at trading as a community. And just doing what we do. Doing it for our families. Doing it for freedom, baby. There's that short back from the 600s again. Looking to see this break the lows. Hi, all. First time here. Wow. E.R. Jekka? Or Jekka? I don't want to butcher that. Is it E.R. Jekka? Welcome in, queen or king. For some reason, I feel like that's a queen, but, you know, welcome in. Love to have you here. Welcome to the best street community around. Nothing but positivity. Like I said, anything below these 610s, I really do like for selling. Welcome in. Welcome in. James, I hope you're able to catch this trade here, King. And hope you're riding with break-evens on and letting this thing print for you. WChat, 2026 our year. Let's go, GPT. Absolutely. Erjeka, who do you trade with? Or which prop firm? You like Top Step, Take Profit, Tradeify, Apex? If you're trading Apex, that means I know you're an experienced trader. I would recommend for new people, either Project X, even though it's really got their issues right now. But if you're a new trader and you're trying to get into the space and learn, I would say Top Step X is one of the best to just get that feeling under your belt, to start understanding trading. I started learning mid-October. I'm still paper trading. Wow, I love the discipline there. Way to be involved and just not interested in your own capital right now. It's really cool. It's the best way to learn. I do recommend, though, putting a little bit, so maybe like a combine and just, you know, the small $50 try here and there, just because I do think there's a little bit of a difference in terms of the emotion when you're trading paper to not. But just to learn chart, learn price, learn candlestick patterns, great idea to be paper trading, especially if you're new. And hey, 2026 is going to be your year. Keep showing up. It's a long journey. Trading is a long journey, but it is a worthwhile endeavor. It's the hardest easy money you'll ever make, and it's a skill set that once you truly learn, it's going to provide confidence and provide for you for the rest of your life. I will start in 2026. I love it. Really good discipline. I'm excited for you. It's going to be a great year for you. Great year for all of us. 2026 is going to be a year for all of us. Truly, truly believe it in my bones. Very excited for you guys. I love the shorts. Anything below these 610s, like I said, guys, I felt we could test the price one more time. We did. Still finding the reaction. Still want to see lows be taken out. Hope everybody's trading well. I might have to get out of here a little bit early just because my camera is breaking on us, but we'll see. I hate to do it on the final trading day of the year, but we'll see what happens. Could have been a very quick day for us. 4 minutes in, we were into a big banger of a trade. And the break even, man. Classic. Oh, it's lagging. Yeah, it's not the chart, and it's not YouTube, and it's not the stream. It's just my camera. It's the battery. Like I said, this battery's been going hard for us. Streaming an hour and a half to 2 hours every single day for almost a year now. Oh, like delaying the words. Yeah. Like it's like you can see the lag in it. It's not smooth, not buttery. It's clear, so it's not my camera. It's just the battery. Oh, yeah, baby. Back below the 690s or the 590s here. Holding below the 600s. The 610s was the spot I wanted to see hold. Let's see if we can break the lows. All good. Nothing going on today. Enjoy your day. Great week. Ready for the 2026. Catch you later. Take it easy, GPT. As always, appreciate you for being here, King. Do you look at the VIX and Mag 7? I do not, Urjeka. I really try to. So for me, when I started learning trading, there's just a lot going on. There's a lot of people that can have information, a lot of different ways to confuse yourself. What I did and what I recommend is just simplify everything. Yes, the VIX is great information. Yes, the Mag 7 information, but a lot of it's just going to be kind of noisy, confusing for a while, especially if you're still new. So I go to super simple. One chart, NASDAQ, one time frame, the 1 minute chart, one session, 9:30 a.m. open. And I just focus on that. I focus on one thing at a time. Spend a lot of time getting used to that. Spend a lot of time building up a strategy on something that you as a human being can see well, because we're all different. Some people like the 5 minute chart. Some people like a 30-minute chart. Some people like ES instead. Some people like Asia session instead of the New York Open 9:30. So whatever it is for you, I can't tell that part, but whatever you end up finding some value in and you're like, wow, this makes a little bit more sense to my brain, stick with that and find consistency in that. Build up your repertoire and skill set just in that, and that'll be enough to actually be a skill set to pay for your future, pay for your family. And then from there, once you build up experience and expertise and a little bit more confidence and understanding, you can bridge out, try other markets, try trading gold, try trading other things, different time frames. But for a while, I would recommend sticking to one thing. Like I said, NASDAQ, 1 minute chart, 9:30 a.m. open. That's what I did. I've been doing it for over a year now, 2 years really. And that consistency allows me to just kind of build up an intuition through experience that you don't really get by bouncing around, if that helps at all. Yes, I only look at NASDAQ and gold. Nice. Very great. Very, 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 like I said, just find something consistent for you that you can read well, that makes sense to your brain. Here we go, sellers. Yo, James, I really hope you caught that short. That was the final one we could feed. Pulling back up into the 610s here, looking for the short below the 50-minute range, down into the low a day. Yes, that's the best thing. Absolutely, Abby. Just something that your brain can get really familiar with, so that when you start seeing patterns, it starts to fire kind of subconsciously. Like if you go back, I have a video on my channel, Arjeka. It's the very first video I made. Actually, no, the second video I made. Why losing traders can't see what winning traders do. And it's talking about chunking. And it's the same type of concept where eventually you're going to build up so much experience in that one time frame or in that one thing that once you find that experience, your brain is going to kind of start firing on it before you even are thinking about it subconsciously. And that's how you get paid. Just because you're going to start recognizing things before you even notice it. And you kind of have to in this game. Trading's a very quick game of milliseconds. So having that little advantage is huge. I hear you can have 10 accounts now with top one for a limited time. Whoa, they're trying it out. That might be something we try then. Feel like price wants to go to the 575 area. 575s. I think we're going to find deeper selling for sure. Canna McPherson. I love it. Yeah, I think so too. I think we're going to go see low a day, to be honest with you. I like shorts. Anything below the 610s would have been nice. We'd love to see the 55s. I think that's a safe bet, Danny. I think we're going to go see lower for sure, Queen. Once we held below that 610 again, that was the short entry. The last clean one I can see. Hopefully we just keep printing lower now. I will look at it after the session. Yeah, I recommend it. It's just kind of reiterating what I just stated about the chunking, the idea that eventually you'll build up some consistency and everything will start playing through for you. I have seen your video. I love it, Abby. I love your support always. Happy New Year's, my friend. Happy New Year, chat. Peace. Be responsible. Be responsible as you can be. Happy New Year's, King. Thanks for being here as always, James. Means the most. Let's see this break through these lows at these 568s. From there, I would imagine we see the 555s, maybe the lower day of 552. Sellers clearly in control right now. Clearly in control right now, bringing us lower. James, does that mean that you passed your account, by the way? Hope that's what that means. I'm finally back in the green today after being down 500 pre-market. Let's go, Magic. Love hearing it, King. Well deserved. Hopefully that means you caught that short as well. Glad you caught the other end of it and made some money. Look at this hourly chart. Completely inverted. Now we're printing towards the lows. I wouldn't fade that. Still kind of shocked about the slippage that we had here, because I made 75 bucks here, made 20, so we were up 95. It says I lost 80 here, which kind of shocked about because it was a break-even trade. But even if that's the case, then we should be break-even, up like 15 bucks, 5 bucks on the day, and then we hit for 675, so we should be up at least like 600. But instead we only up 540, so the slippage was kind of wild. What prop firm do you recommend to start? If you're completely new, probably Top Stepper, Jekka, with Project X. Now my only caveat to saying that is be careful, because you're going to get really used to trading with Project X, and it's nice. It's user-friendly for new people, so it will give you the best chance to just kind of get a feel for it. But it's also going to gamify it a little bit and kind of change. Like, it's not exactly trading in a sense because of the gamification of it. So if you want to if you want to trade with a prop firm that you want to build consistency with, I would go Tradeify. And if you want to just kind of give yourself the best chance to, like, you know, learn price and everything, Project X with Top Step is probably still one of the better ones, but it's just risky. Like I said, it's going to build up maybe bad habits just because of the gamification of the pricing and everything and the way that you see the charts move. But if you don't mind Tradeify and you want to learn something that you're going to stick with for a long time, I would go Tradeify and I would go Tradeify. Tradeify is this platform here. Tradeify is the one I'm trading with right now. You can see up here the Tradeify accounts. It's a little bit more not user friendly, like to get used to the order fills and everything, but for consistency, for longevity, I'd recommend it. MFF is also very good. Yes, MFF is good. Lucid is good. Lucid Trading. And the thing about all of those other prop firms is they all use Tradeify. Project X and Top Step is the only one that uses Project X. So that's where I'm kind of saying, like, just kind of protect yourself if you want to get used to that. If you want to get used to any other prop firm, though, I recommend going with Tradeify. MFF is good. Lucid is good. Tradeify is good. Those are the ones I'd recommend. It's funny. I came close to blowing my MFF account yesterday. This morning, I am green. Let's go, Vic. Hey, that's trading, baby. Never out till you're out. Sometimes you can get protected by a tick and save the accounts, baby. Glad to hear that you're alive. Yeah, I hope that helps, Jekka. Like I said, if you're completely new and you don't mind the gamification of everything, Top Step maybe. If you want to build something that you're going to get used to doing for a longevity, I would do Tradeify, which would be any other prop firm. You know, you could do MFF, Lucid Trading. MFF is My Funded Futures, Lucid Trading, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader even is pretty decent. And they all trade through Tradeify, except for Project X, except for Top Step. Thanks to you. Hey, I'm glad I could help, Vic. Way to catch the shorts, King. Way to catch the direction, brother. Super happy for you. Let's see this thing take out the lows here. I want to see this print below. I love that we're stuck below the 610s. Here we go with the selling. Can we get some deeper continuation now through these 77s? Take out the lows, targeting those 55s. Really, the 52s. 55 is just a safe front run the low a day. Stock below the EMA. Sellers are clearly in control. But all right, family. I think we're going to do it. We're going to call it right here. Final trading day of 2025. Final stream of 2025. Tomorrow is going to be the new year. We'll start again. Keep the momentum rolling. As always, thank you so much for every single person a part of this community. We're going to keep this vibes and continuation into the new year, where we're all going to just continue prosperity, get better as a community. Means the most to have you guys a part of this journey, trying to document the whole process of going from zero to millionaire trading. So I really, truly appreciate y'all for being a part of it. It means the most. I love you guys. Drink some sun, get some water, hug somebody you love, and I'll see y'all next year, huh? See you on a Friday. Be safe, everyone, tonight. Have a great day, Tyler. Happy New Year's, everyone. Happy New Year's to all of you guys. Have a safe night, like you said, Dana. I love that. Don't drink too much, guys. Protect your bodies. Healthy traders are profitable traders. And we'll be back Friday, trying it again. I love you guys. Take it easy. Enjoy the rest of your day. 2026 is our year. All right? I love you guys. Peace.